another rainy day here in Centerport. So we're going to do another workout from the kitchen. We'll use your kitchen sink again. You're going to need some light weights and heavy weights, so if you need to hit pause and grab your weights. Yeah, that's about it. So let's get going. Today's workout's going to be an upper body workout. So when you feel like you want something that's a little bit longer or more full body, take the last workout that I sent you, which was lower body, add this one, and you've got about an hour's workout. So I'm going to hit some music, and we'll get started. All right, so let's just take some deep breaths in. I just played the music before, and it skipped on me, so let's hope that this works. All right, arms down, and let's just march, march. Clear out some tight shoulders back. I'm going to start to jog. In 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. So it's just a little light jog. Keep moving your arms, warming up your biceps while you do this. Good, and press through. So push your hand behind and get the tricep warmed up. Good, let's do 8 more like this. That's 4, 4, 3, 2. All right, so plant your feet, knee hugs. We lift, working on a little balance here. Pull the knee in, up towards your chest and shoulders, and lift. And release. And lift. And release. One more time. Lift. Now, active hamstring stretch, so just dig your right heel in, or whichever heel that is. I think the camera's putting me backwards. Like I said, all growing pains and learning for me. Good. 2 more times. Here's one side on the right. So if your hand's only reaching down to your ankle, it's perfectly fine. Just see wherever your body will let you go today. It's all good. You showed up here today. All right, march again. March. Change to a jog. There we go. Tight tummies. And be happy, even with the rain. 8 more. 8. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Plant your feet. Lift, balance. Good, pull in. Good. Think about your chin coming out towards your knee. There we go. All right, 2 more times. 1. Get a nice little stretch in your back too when you do this. All right, dig the right heel in. Sit back, reach. Good, look about 3 feet in front of you, so that's why I'm not looking up at the camera to you guys. And reach. Good, 1 more time each side. 1. And 2. All right, come on up. Last time, let's march. And jog, jog. So about 32 jogs. You can add your arms overhead if you want, totally up to you. Let's go 8 more. 8. Good. 4, 3. Right there with the music. And 1. Knees. Lift. Good. That feels so good on my back, you guys. Having a little back issues going on. Still trying to do some yoga in between all this and get totally stretched out. Good, dig your right heel in. Sit back and reach. And then come up on the other side. All right, and up. Keep going. There's the right side. And here's the other side. All right, and come forward. Bring your feet together. 2 center jumps, take it out. 1, 2, out. 1, 2. Press on those inner thighs. Warm up those legs. Press. Just like you're opening up the gate. Push against your inner thighs. Let's do 4 more. 2 jumps, out. 2 jumps, out. 2 jumps, out. 2 jumps, out. All right. Walk your heels just out a little bit further and take your hands right on those inner thighs and just roll your back down and then arch and roll up. Turn your feet in a little bit. That's a little bit better. Yeah, and arch and roll up. Stretching your back. Good. Out. And then arch and roll up. 1 more time. Good. Hold this one down. Take one shoulder over to the opposite knee. Really push on the inner thigh. Good. And then come center and go the other way. Good. And then hands. Stay right there on the quads. Start to walk your heels in. Good. Heel toe, heel toe, heel toe. Stay in this little bent position. Put your tummy on your quads. Reach for underneath your sneakers if you can. Ankles are good too. Anything works. Right here, up. Good. Straighten the legs. Fingertips on your shoelaces. Slowly come up. Good. Smiling faces. Right here. Press. Pull the shoulders down. Tilt. Come center. Good deep breath in. Tilt. And come center. And lower your arms. All right. Let's take it over to your kitchen sink or whatever you have for a ledge that's going to work. Make sure you're sipping your water all through this workout. I'm going to start with hands right on your ledge. Take your feet all the way back so you're in a nice plank position. Fingertips are slightly pointed in. Your elbows are going to go out of diagonal behind you and now super, super zipped up. So we go down and push up and down and push up. Down, up. So keep your gaze right down at that sink in front of you. Let's do 4 more. 4, and 3. Left. Nice straight line from your neck down to your tailbone. Hold down here. Do a little pulse. 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 So think about digging in your thumb and your pointer fingers into that ledge. And do that little pulsing. Pulsing. Pulse. Pulse. 4, 3, 2. Push yourselves up. Lift one arm up, your right arm up, and look out in front of you. Just hold it there. Keep squeezing that pointer finger and thumb on the left side. Good, and release down. And the other side out. Good, this time you're squeezing your pointer finger on the right side and your thumb. Push it, push it, push it. Good. Lower down, let's do a second set of 12. Here we go. Down, push, down, push. Good, you've got 8 more to go. 8, lift, 7, up. Last 4, 4, 3, 2. Hold down here. Pulse, 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 pulse. Good. I feel it. Let's go 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come up. All right. Bring yourselves forward. Grab both of your heavy weights. We're going to do some side knee crunches. Getting your abs. Still working arms, shoulders a little bit. So one weight will be right here just supporting you. It's going to be 8 times 4. So 8 pumps times 4 times. In 4, 3, 2, and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We've got 3 more sets to go. 16 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, lower your weight. Roll your shoulders back. Same thing other side. 8 times 4, 32. Get that arm up. Get the knee ready. Go. 1, 2. Good. 1, 2. 16 left. And last, 8 right here. Getting that side of the waist. 6, 4. There goes my music. Put it down. Sip a little bit of water. It's getting hot in my kitchen. Get some air in here. Probably gonna hear the wind whipping out there today. But sip a little bit of water. You're gonna stick with your heavy weights. Bring one leg forward, one leg back. I don't care which one comes forward. Pull your abs in tight. Hinge from your waist. Actually, let's get into a staggered lunge. So both legs are straight. So from the side, you look like this. Okay. Staggered lunge, hinge from your waist. This protects your lower back. Weights are out. Right on either side of that front knee. Let's do some rows. Row, release. Row. Good, row. And row. You've got 8 more to go. 8. Pull all the way up and back. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold up here. Let's pulse. 1, 2. Wrap those elbows around sides of your body. Yeah. Let's go. 4, 3, 2. Hold up here. Kick back. Kick. In. Get into the triceps. In. Back. And in. And back. And your tummies are tight. 4, 3, 2. And the next 4 is going to be 12 in total. 1, 2, 3. Hold back here. Just bend your elbows slightly and pulse. 2, 3, 4. Keep the elbows up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And release. All right. Roll your shoulders forward. Good. We're going to switch legs. Switch your lead leg, opposite leg forward, the other one back. Keep them nice and straight like an inverted V. Hinge from your waist. We're going to combine those 2 moves. So it's going to be row, kick, back, in, down. Row, kick, in, down. Row, kick, in, down. Kick, in. This is number 4. Row, kick, in. Make sure your gaze is about 3 feet in front of you. Straight down at the floor. Row, kick, in, down. Row, kick, in, down. Row, kick. You've got 4 more like this. Row, kick. Squeeze those muscles. Row, kick, in, down. Row, kick, in. 2 more. Row, kick, in, down. Last one. Row, kick, in, and down. Good work. Put your weights down. Have a little sip of water. Dry off if you need. All right. You're going to take your heavy weights. We're going to try. Yeah, heavy weights. I'm going to set the timer for a minute. We're going to do step touch with your legs. So here's what your legs look like. With an overhead press and then a chest press. So, 1 minute on the clock, just as a reminder. Here's what it's going to look like. Tap, tap. All right. Ready? Here we go. So tap, tap, tap. Overhead press. 1 minute. So you can get a little bit deep with this. If you want to add a little bit of leg work to your workout today. It's all good. So make sure the weights are just slightly pointing forward when you do that overhead press. Let's do 4 more and a chest press. 4, 3, 2, and one. Add a chest press. In. So adding the legs, this little step tap, will get your heart rate up a little bit more. So let's do 8 more like this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Overhead press. Up, up. 4 more. 4, 3, I heard the buzzer. 2, chest press. 8, 8, 7, 6, couple more, it's not going to hurt anybody. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, put one leg down. All right. So, I'll set the time for a minute. See how far we get. We're going to get the waist going again a little bit. Hold your one weight. Keep the legs the same. Tap, tap, just like that. And then add a little figure 8 with the weights. All right, so go ahead. Don't wait for me. Tap, tap, tap. Yep. Good. So you can think about rowing a boat, right? No one's out there today. No one's out anywhere right now. But soon enough, we'll be out and doing the things we like to do. And hopefully one of those is going to be being in a park with me, doing your workouts. Because I'm bored stiff at home without you guys. You're going to keep smiling though. So, you know, sooner or later we're going to get there. So you should feel this in your waist. Sides of the waist. Right? We'll get top to bottom of the tummy. Just on about 2 more little segments. Keep swimming with that weight. There we go. All right. Shut that off. Okay. Actually, I think we're going to stick with the heavy weights. Timer, good, okay. 30 seconds. Let me get you guys moving. I think I have about 10 more minutes left. Feet nice and wide. Go into a nice low squat. Let's start doing some uppercuts. Up, up. Here's your bicep workout. Go. Don't wait for me. Just go. Go, go, go. Up, 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 up. Yep. So still with that waist, right? Watch your face. Almost there. Good. Think about those biceps. All right, put one weight down. 30 seconds. Standing knee crunches, working top to bottom of your abs. Weight right here overhead. Alternate knees coming up. 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Keep going, just setting the timer. Little shoulders, little abs, still biceps. Give it everything you got and breathe, breathe. All right, we're gonna go through this one more time as soon as that timer goes off. There it goes. Grab your other weight. Uppercuts. Getting your heart rate up a little bit, burn some calories. Go. Yep, there we go. Stay low, as low as you can go. Get a little isometric contraction for the quads. Keep your tummy tight. Get that waist working. When you hear the timer, you'll drop one weight. We'll go into those standing knee crunches for your abs. There we go. Put one leg down. All right, set you guys up, and then I'll set the timer. Right leg, let's go. Keep going. So pull. Grip the lower part of your abs, right below your belly button. Squeeze every time you bring that knee up. And breathe out. All right, arms a little shaky. Let's take your weights. Light weights this time. Okay, so here's where the light weights come in. I don't want to trip on those big weights. We'll do enough repetitions that you'll feel it. Arms up at shoulder height. Let's start with a circle back. So I should set my timer, but yep, go ahead. Keep going. Go 30 seconds with those circles back. So the goal with these next couple of minutes is just to not let your arms go down. Just keep them there. When you hear the timer, just start circling forward. Little circles back, little circles, loose grip. Good. All right, circle back, circle back. I'm sorry, circle forward, circle forward. 30 seconds with that forward circle. I'm just gonna pulse up next. I have to check my cheat sheet. Ooh, I feel that air coming in. It's getting hot in my kitchen. Gotta do this next time with no lights on. I'm sweating! Keep those arms going. Your next 30 seconds are pulsing up. Right here, pulse. Don't stop, I'm just setting the timer. You guys keep going, keep pulsing up, keep pulsing up. It's probably about 2 minutes or so of this arm stuff. Pulse up. Yeah, keep those arms in letter T. This is rough. I told you wouldn't need anything more than a couple of pounds of weights in each arm. So don't forget, if you need to put the weights down, go ahead. Right here in front, you're going to circle forward. 30 seconds. Keep going, don't wait for me, keep going. Little circle in, squeeze your chest. Okay, we did push-ups already, we did chest presses. This is also for your chest and your shoulders and beautiful arms, right? This way when we wave goodbye to somebody, there's no jiggle. Keep breathing. All right, circle out, out, out. Don't wait for me, keep going. Circle out, out. Yep, that's it. We have one more 30-second round, and that's going to be pulsing back. And I'll show you as soon as we get through this one. Don't let your arms down. I know you want to let them down. I do. Keep it going. Keep it going. Out, out. I forgot which way my arms are going. They don't want to move anymore. All right, right here. Hold up there, press back. This is the last 30 seconds, I promise. Keep going. Don't wait for me. Go. Press back, back, back. Yep, you got it. And keep smiling. So just think, weights, no weights, it's all good. Oh, there's that breeze. 30 seconds here, and you've got 10 seconds left. You can do anything for 10 seconds, right? We're gonna go into plank next. It'll be a minute. Really burning out the shoulders here. Okay, put it down. All right, give yourselves a little shoulder roll back, and a little shoulder roll forward, and back again, and forward. All right, so we've got 1 minute on the clock with a plank. Move your weights out of the way. Get yourselves down into plank position. I need a little sip of water. And it'll be 1 minute, and then we'll cool down. All right. I don't know about anybody else, but my arms are shaking a little bit. So here we go. Into your plank. On your hands, on your elbows, whatever works, go. So on your hands, you're working those shoulders just a little bit more. If you go down to your elbows, you're getting a little bit more of your abs. So go wherever you want to go today. Perfectly fine. The bottom line is you came here and you joined me today. And you're getting a workout done. Right after this 1 minute, we'll get to rest and get a nice stretch in. My glasses are all fogged up, you guys. Just means I'm working. Feel good. right, you're more than 30 seconds in. I'll tell you when you have 10 seconds left, and I'll let you slowly drop to your knees and push yourselves back into child's pose. Just hold there. This is your last 10 seconds, so give it everything you got. Pull that tummy in tight. Good, and just let your body know that's working hard and that you appreciate it. All right, drop your knees. Walk your fingertips forward and stretch in child's pose. All right, so big toes together. Your knees are out. Your forehead is down. Put your forehead all the way down to the ground. Good, and just rest there. So see if you can sit your butt even further back onto your heels. Your butt further back onto your hips. And walk your fingertips even further forward. Yep. And then we'll slowly raise our head and look up. And you're going to walk your hands back. All right. So bring your knees together. And let's get a stretch for shoulders, chest. Bring your arms out. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath in. And then bring your arms forward and let one arm cross in front and the other one just wraps around. Okay, so you really can't see my face right here. Keep your elbows in line with your shoulders. And from here, I want you to press your fingertips up and then lower your elbows just down to shoulder height. Do it again. Press up and lower down to shoulder height. Now take your hands and press out. You should be feeling a nice stretch in your upper back and your shoulders, back of the shoulder. Good. From here, take a deep breath in, blow it out, and just hinge all the way forward and bring your elbows down. A little bit further there. And then come all the way up. Good. Separate your arms. Just remember which arm you had forward before and switch. Good. So your elbows are in line with your shoulders here, right? Your thumbs pointed towards your forehead at the top of your head. You're going to press your arms up and lower. Do it again. Press up and lower. Up and lower. And then press the hands out towards me and in, keeping that 90-degree angle. And out